Is this love? Is this lust?
Big Brother Naija season 9. Not lose guard, right? I just want to throw this first question out to all of you right now. How you feel today among the finalists for this year Big Brother Naija not lose guard? How you feel?
Amazing. We don't show, we don't learn. We will make this money.
Oh. So don't win the money, make outside.
They make more money.
Okay. So what you believe say carry you? I want to add one share. Carry you reach the finalists. What if you say you do differently?
My realness now waiting carry me reach the final week. Okay. I was real as hell. I did real. I submit PPG, but I've been in the house now. Sean don't affect my English. I just spring.
Don't they measure Sean
for net. Okay. But I think that my realness, I just show people how I be. I don't fake anything. I do my anger. I do my happiness. I cook for them. You know, some people like to shop. Mm-hmm. So I just say they cook. I they love. I they do everything. I do my cry. Just I cry where for show. So I just show myself cool for the show.
Victoria, yeah.
So honestly, I'm just very thankful because going to the show, I never knew I was going to make it this far. So being the finalist is just like a very big deal to me, and I'm honestly just so thankful. Then I think just being myself, my calmness, my positive energy, has what actually brought me this far. So I'm just grateful.
Ozee.
Yeah, for me.
Please put the mic close to your mouth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now?
Yes, it's better.
Okay. For me, it was just being genuine, being transparent, and just keeping it real, and just maintaining my role as a big brother inside Big Brother's house.
Okay,
I feel like,
big brother inside Big Brother's house.
Yeah, I feel like that endeared me to people, and they supported me, saw me through.
Okay. Onyeka.
Well, I felt like job well done because I worked on that show. Like, you see me every wager, you see me encouraging people to be vulnerable because that's what I stand for. Like, I passed my message. It was job well done for me.
So all of you now they talk and like so now not go the house with strategy. I was just being myself. So no strategy at any point when I come with.
For me, I don't know about other people. For me and my twin sister, we're not going with strategy because we already know say we get energy. Okay. And that was like already more than enough. And as we, from even when we step our foot on stage, people don't they feel them from the crowd. And even as we step into the house, everybody they feel them. So I think that energy alone and just being twins and being with ourselves, it choke. Operation.
You agree with what you two not come with strategy.
I came in with a strategy, but Onyeka is so vain for strategies. At the end of the day, I just ended up being me because I was planning, if I see this, if I see that, but
Ozee, you agree with that?
Yeah, man, see, if I had a strategy, I think you would have been able to see right through it. First of all, it's difficult to come in there with a strategy and maintain it all through 10 weeks. And if I had a strategy, I think I would have done anything more than come there and say I'm Mr. Macho.
You know why I ask this question? Because it be like say this particular season of the Big Brother Naija, now a Big Brother don't complain say I know they give our content. You feel that because I don't come with strategy, you guys came as yourself. Or now just they too careful not to they called out by the people as they don't call out the other people when they come with heavy strategy.
Waiting be content because content now who they look at. We still give you guys content. We still educated now, people. We still showed people.
No, that one not the content.
So waiting that one be.
No, that's boss.
I just feel say people know they used to season where they know they fight too much. We fight, but the fight no does just there too much. And for the house, some people they avoid confrontation. Unlike my sister and I, us we go carry fights for our head, but
and they go avoid you now.
Yes, they fear now. But jokes apart, but I still feel say content day, drama day, ships day between man and woman, girl and girl, and still coming out for me as a person as I watch them from outside. Now show. Come on with it. Now show way, even if I'm not there inside, if I watch them this year.
Okay, all right. I will go back to Wanni again. Wanni ex Andy.
Yes, Biggie.
Now when you say I don't come out from the house, I did sure so you go don't hear or see something really shocking to you about your, yourself inside the Big Brother. I'm very sure so you don't maybe one or two people don't talk one or two things about you, or probably Twitter on top Twitter especially maybe you don't read something where you shock you say oh my god. So for you, waiting you go talk so you see on X or on Instagram or whichever social media platform will shock you. See, they don't come out.
You know, shock me. You know, be today. Before I entered the house, they don't throw my sister and I. So when I even came out, I was like, "Is this the hair? Oh my God, is this the hair?"
Wait,
I love it. Like, I'm used to it. I'm a positive girl. I be positive, babe. All this season they touch my skin, and for me, it's like two-faced talk. If nobody talk about you, you're nobody. So make them talk and they shine, and I'm gonna shine brighter than the star because I'm a shining star.
Okay.
Since we deal with you, man, just quickly throw this wine right now.
Okay.
When you get two highlights, one of those highlights and your relationship with Sean.
Sean.
Yeah.
See, Sean.
Even when Sean comes, Sean saying they with me, you come outside. Then be the hope say you win the match.
I don't show.
Yeah, Mona Shera. Even your sister won't say ask her. They say yes, he believe in a relationship. So what really attract you to Sean? Because it was almost as soon as you entered the house, the next thing they go crazy for her. What's it be that?
So
thing?
the truth be say, people know see him, but before I enter the house, I don't see Sean like 2 times. We no talk, we no yarn.
Oh.
I don't see him 2 times for medicals for Big Brother. I can show you the video. I go show you before I come for you. I don't see him. The day where I see him, so funny. I made a video of him. It's on my phone. Like I said, I'll show you because me I like him. I'll go show you before I come.
Yeah.
So after that, I see him for another birthday party. So the connection don't day there, but I don't know say they mutual. So that's why it was easy to just kick it off like that. And Sean is a stand-up guy. He's respectable. He's very honest, and he's a sweet boy. And no matter what happens, we date or not. I don't know if I don't speak about English.
It's okay. We don't mind.
No matter what happen, whether we date or not, so person I go get from my heart, carry from my heart forever, because now my friend for life.
All right.
Outside of the house.
I don't show. We don't they operate. Since not they
We
do
are not
that.
talk since then.
You know they watch my Snapchat. Follow me on Snapchat.
Yeah, I follow you, man.
All right, maybe I'll make her come to Vicky right now. Victoria, for this particular season, they are among those that okay. Or for me, I feel so now you were the least housemate where quickly open up on time. For the first 2 weeks, you were just they cool. Even total service would go come meet to try to encourage you, and at a point, to even your partner to Sean could come talk to you. Just say, oh, okay. Before you don't go back into your shell. Why it take you a long time to open up?
So to be honest, yeah, I feel like everyone played a significant role, but for everybody, you just have to take your time. I had to face what I had to face, go through what I had to go through, deal with my own emotions, be able to come out. I'm a kind of person that I do not just go out there and just start bonding and it takes me time to get comfortable with my environment, and I feel like that's totally fine. If you need to take your time, you just have to take your time. And to be honest, I'll just stop it there because I don't have to I don't have to be all out there. I needed to take my time and just exactly process my emotions and just bond naturally.
Okay, but much later, it can't be say your bond they can't be stronger with Ozee. Then later on, it can't be say something like a triangle when they happen. Bugbe. So what will be the relationship when you get with Ozee? If you classify her?
Yes, we're friends. So I had already stated that since day one. He's somebody that is quite emotional intelligent. And is able to have conversations with me without me having to force any conversation. And he was constantly looking out for me, which is actually a very big deal to me. So yeah, we're friends, and that's it.
Nothing past like that.
Nothing.
All right, we'll move to Onyeka right now. You are the last man here, so no verse.
Last but not least.
Yes. So they say ladies first, so we'll come to you very soon. Director Ho, that's me. How you feel say or what do you say you do? What make you come out from bottom 4 to top 3?
Yo, I did everything. Guys, Queen of Jet Ski, Director O, Triple O, Ultimate Spice Girl, Biggest O, Reche. Please, what was not done by Biggest O in the house? Come on. Is it takedowns? Is it toe? Come on, guys. The drama, everything. So I actually went into the show, into the game, and I did everything. Is it the parties? I There was always something for every single day, you know. So, and my fans loved that, and they loved how crazy I could be, and how fun I could be, and how intelligent I could be, my talents and everything. And they rooted for me. I heard I was even getting more fans as at 10th week.
Even when
that was so surprising.
Talk and say the energy.
Actually,
just more like the brain. But also the way you hear and also be like say, waiting some people be assume not really real. Say you were almost everywhere. You did people matter business. Just you chook my amebo over sabi.
I mean, if it's cause you guys are already saying the house was boring. I mean, somebody had to do the work and bring some fun into the house. Of course,
so that was inside people business.
Yeah, that was like my first week's work to do, to like bring everybody out of their shell, and it worked. You know, it worked because at the end of the day, when I stopped that, because to be honest, that's not really who I am. When I stopped it, what am I hearing? The house is boring.
Okay.
You know, so
before we move to Ozee right now, you and Ozee kind of like form this friendship and bond.
Yeah.
To the extent, I don't know, some people say they use Ozee till they do coping mechanisms inside the house just to hold body. Because there are sometimes they attempt to touch BS cuts. Now wait till they talk now, just they ask, you get me? So knowing fully well, say Ozee gets something outside, why you still feel that comfortable?
I mean, I felt comfortable to be myself around Ozee because he actually had something outside, and I knew that nothing ever happened. That's why. But if it was a single guy, I'll be before you come and start falling in love. But with Ozee was already taken, so it's like
so you were comfortable to that.
Yeah, because nothing is going to happen. Yeah.
All right, Ozee. Now we are on to you. You feel say your waiting talk.
Last but not least, boys.
Okay. But you feel say your babe outside now, you know, see waiting happen inside the house with you and your bestie. You feel say she go dey comfortable. Now we be saying I don't finish, and you don't now go be bestie for life, right? You think say she go dey comfortable seeing still being your bestie even after the show?
You know, I always tell people say the camera shows, but it doesn't see. So as far as that goes, it's up to me to just explain perspective and have mature conversations, and then we'll deal with what we deal with. But just keep watching. You keep seeing me smiling, which means everything is good.
It's okay. All right.
But you don't talk to your woman. You don't talk to your woman from outside.
Sure.
And she did cool with everything when happen inside the house. No complaint.
I just explained what I explained now. So
I see him smiling. That means everything.
Yeah. That's to say smile.
You don't see this man.
I didn't see her. But also a quick one. In between, it can't be like say Onyeka be one day jealous, because bestie not supposed to be jealous if you be friend with another bestie. Onyeka one call the jealous Victoria when it can't be like so now one day get one or two friendship together. You feel man. The way you
Onyeka was never jealous, guys.
So what if those whole arrangement inside the house?
What arrangements? People know that I was busy. I was focused on my life and me getting to top 3, top 2, even winning. So you guys were just misinterpreting my movements. I was never jealous. Like I actually even loved when he goes to talk to Victoria, because I have my time, you know.
Because I would be feel say you just wanted to have Ozee.
Come on, guys. Onyeka was busy.
But why did they answer for Ozee actually, Onyeka?
No, I'm answering for myself.
Because now we don't move to Ozee already. All right. So for one of those, I think your final speech, where we say I do for the house, where big they say me they talk and do all those other stuff. You mentioned something. You know, you say. You dey happy say as you come the house you don't clear the ugly narrative where we say people get about you and your brother in the house. We don't know those narratives. Maybe you can tell us what in those narratives actually be.
I guess there's a lot of them, but you know, there's many preconceptions. Either maybe my name is usually the name and what comes with just because there's a name, and people assume, but people only look from afar and just see how you're presented and just have whatever they feel is your character. So going in there, my main thing was, okay, I'm going to come in there. So when you asked me if I had a strategy, the reason why I said no is because I went in there to be myself so I can change those narratives. And I feel like people over the 10 weeks were like, okay, you know, maybe we got it wrong. This guy is actually different to what we thought. I knew that would happen, but I just needed the platform to showcase to the world.
So people also feel say your fellow housemate be get some certain level of respect for you because of una name? You ever feel like that? Been just your personality, the respect?
Respect is reciprocal, right? So the reason why they respect me is because I gave them respect back. Had nothing to do with the name. I came in there, respected all of them from the jump, and they respected me back, and so it was easy to take it from there.
Okay, just quick one before we move to Wanni right now.
Okay.
If to say you not get something outside, they meet you between Onyeka and Victoria, who forbid the spell, because we see your move in between the two of them, though, even though saying are still on a friendship level, who forbid the right spec for you?
I didn't come into the Big Brother house to look for a shit.
Nobody they come there can't look for
So
relationship.
I would have just done me. You know, if you knocked on my door, I could have
Even with
answered.
these beautiful ladies, if you're not evil,
Myself, I find too now.
now why they go to
So
you too?
don't worry, I find too. So I feel day my day. If you
So
want
if
to
I
find me,
don't
come
pick
find
anyone?
me. No, but if somebody picked me,
Not in
we
here.
feel discuss. They're my friends, both of them. You know, we don't need to.
I know they, yeah.
If you- no,
Say
see,
not say not the relationship,
both-
not send you now.
I for send them because
Talk truth.
sending them had nothing to do with the relationship. It was both their personalities and their characters, and we formed good friendships.
So they not be your spec.
Both of them are fine girls, but you know, I don't want to tell you about my spec. I could just keep some things to myself.
All right, Wanni. Yes, all right. Inside the out. Yeah, we all know about you and Shawnee already. But you know, plenty fights there between you guys also in the out, and to the extent that your sister at the point where they try to, you know, tell you some things, he tried to advise you. I think at some point she said, Sean is manipulating you, he's gaslighting you to believe, saying that you be the cause of the problems maybe say you not get for the house. So those times where your sister, they give you those advice, they try to talk to you, how you feel that moment?
Normal, because normally fights, they normal. Everybody must fight. At the fight, over handy, like you see,
Yeah.
on the show, we had like one of the biggest fights.
Right, yeah.
So now normal. And when you fight with person, other people, just like the show, everything is subject to perception. And she said what she said, but the issues I had was with Sean. And we talk about, we arrange ourselves and we do okay.
So now on a lighter note,
Yeah.
because we don't see you and your sister cannot be apart for a very long time.
I too love that game.
Of course. That be vlog. So if one of you now marry before the other,
They marry on the same day.
How do you get boyfriend for? Now, you want me
They
to
marry on the same day.
too?
You know the shame men, but we'll go just the
No,
watch.
hold on. That reminds
Just the
me.
watcher.
Very good. I love that statement, because when your sister come around, we ask her about whether on her case be like buy one get one free. We sure. She was like, oh, sure, it's a nice place. But that kind of arrangement ever go
Like I tell you, know the shame men. We did very, very stingy with our men. We dey share food, but you see, man, we like to get our own man.
Yes, we go reach Ruthee, but before then, it get where reach. It can't be like say some people can't feel say you dey insecure with Sean. If I say Sean become friend with not just Onyeka and also I think Nelly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So what will be the case of that actually?
Me, I be jealous, babe. I don't like when other girls they touch my man. They're too clingy, and I just show myself. And the thing is that for any other person, if you like him, you like him. But me, I don't like him, and I let them know say I
You don't like him.
Finish.
So you go outside of the house right now. You know what I mean? Any girl in here.
No, of course you go near now, but if I just see the thing just did some kind of way, I go share. I say, I don't
collect.
like this kind of thing. Tell me she just shifts.
Then to the biggest fight in the house right now, because I when your sister also come around,
Tosa.
yeah, she speak on her, but not
In-depthly.
yes. So now the accusation from Ruthee
Okay.
of say he know somebody when know on our side,
Okay.
1 or 2 they run the same man.
Oh
For
wow.
inside, first of all, I know Lagos is crazy. I've been in Lagos for more than 9 years right now. So when those kind of arrangements come, in as much as it shocked me for national TV, I'd be like, okay, is it really possible? Then if we come, we can make things clear. And later on, though, after the whole boss, she later tendered one kind of apology, which your sister not agree accept 100%. Yes. So for you right now,
Yes.
what will be your take on top that kind of allegation? At any point, that kind of thing ever happen? before I enter the house?
So, like I said, me and my sister, we don't do this industry for about our DJs. We've been doing it for 3 years. And before the DJ, we've been in the entertainment industry for 8 to 9 years now.
Yeah.
And for most of my life, most of Andy's life, we've been bullied and people have said all sorts. So meeting Ruthee was just like I said, they meet true for real life. And I'm like, you know the gist, call name. People, they lie. And in that house, with all the fights she had with people, it was obvious that she lied. So, and like I said, I don't know what she's going through because to be honest, I don't hate her. I don't send her. If not be safe for that fight where she just come by. I don't even see her. So, and I feel she's going through something mentally or physically. Oh. And I wish her a healing.
So if you say Ruthee, they mentally unstable, now why she make those accusations?
No, because if you just feel constant, they lie that kind of lie, something must be up. So I think maybe she know they okay.
Is there any space for forgiveness for Ruthee?
Of course, me, I know they fight. Like, even if she come now, come and say, oh, Wanni, I want to see you. I go just put location. Okay, come meet us here. I know go beat Sasha. I know they fight. And I said, just come or go talk. But to be honest, me, I know they carry things for mind. And if I see that you're remorse, you don't finish for my mind. Like that, she met me at the premiere yesterday, apologized, and we were good.
So you don't forgive them. I think your sister did too because she felt her apology was very sincere and down to earth. But why I don't feel saying that Big Brother actually intentionally make them do those kind of things? Why they blame the housemates?
No, I not say Big Brother go tell them they can't push me.
Now why they bring a comeback at all?
Maybe they bring them just because they don't say Reefs Day, but I don't believe say Big Brother could come say go Wanni, go like say she they do this thing, go push them. No, that was too extreme.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still talking about apology, Vicky. Yes, back to Victoria. I'm still on top of that. The last speech we be saying I do for inside the house. I think at the point all of them they talk in our minds. You know, mention Sean number 1. Then number 2, talking about apology. Onyeka actually apologize, to you. And from the viewers' point of view, they feel say okay if you apologize to somebody and you don't talk say if I ought to say me say genuinely apologize. So now when I don't come out from the house and everything, you feel say that apology where you can give you that day was straight from the heart and was genuine.
So honestly, I felt like if she wanted to have a conversation with me, she would have done that privately.
Okay.
Because it wasn't the first time she was doing that on stage, and I personally just felt like she probably tried to look like the bigger person on stage, and it made me feel some sort of way. Because if you really want to
apologize,
exactly, you would pull me to the side, and there was plenty of time for us to sit and have conversations. And that did not happen. It could be genuine. I mean, I'm not in a mind. It could be, but
for you, you feel say
for me, this is how I felt. Like if you really wanted to, you'd have pulled me aside and have a conversation with me instead of going on stage several times and just say I'm sorry. So that was how I felt.
Okay. Onyeka be like say one interject, one talk.
Okay, I could.
Oh yeah, no.
Well, I feel like a lot of times when people define you, they're actually defining themselves. Because I came out and I was doing it to the public. I mean, because I feel like if you feel like I did, in fact, I didn't even do it because of her. You didn't do it. It's my heart. Do you understand? And I'm leaving the show. I've done the job. I am a finalist. I am happy, so why should I carry energy out? Nobody told me to do it. Nobody forced me to do it. I just did it because that's the kind of heart I have. Okay. So if you're going to define it in a certain kind of way, that's fine by me. Clearly, maybe everybody can understand you, and that's okay. Okay,
so you know why things like this they're very important to clear, because I don't come up for the house. You get me? There's more relationship that can be built outside of the house, more money to be shared also. With our explanation on top the reason why she apologized publicly. What do you think?
We would have
I'll still get conversation outside of this conversation
later, because this is something that we need to sit down and talk about. Something would address in
public. I'll sit down and talk about. Okay, before we move back to Onyeka, you get very, very sweet relationship with Cassia. Yeah, that's the second half of Kelly, right? Yeah. So how you would define that relationship? I mean, a part of your strategy to just, get somebody when you easily they confide in?
I find it weird when people actually think it was a strategy for me, because you don't force friendship with anybody. when it happens, it happens.
You never meet some people for lucky. They not get us now. That friendship they give.
So that's the thing. Yes,
Yeah.
sometimes I tend to sense when friendship is genuine, and with her, it just happened. I felt like it was genuine. I did not have to like force anything. Conversations was hard. She had my back. I had her back. I just had like this sisterly bond with her, and it was like the best thing ever.
All right, Onyeka, director O, biggest ho.
Ultimate Spice Girl.
So you did creative actually, you know, with your storytelling, your producing. You don't do all those things before the house, or now for inside the house you start them?
Well, for a lot of things, I just read a lot. You know, and I try to learn like anything I could learn. And for the directing, I was in a school that was into it's not like it was an art school, it was a normal secondary school, but we used to do all this acting and dancing. And I actually sat there and I used to study the man that was teaching us how to act. I was trying to learn all the pointers, all the things that were important to him.
Okay.
I didn't do that because I knew there would come a day, but then now came a day.
That was useful.
Exactly. So all those little things I was learning that, you know, many people would have felt was irrelevant now became very relevant. And that's what made me director O, biggest O, ultimate Spice Girl today.
All right. Also from the viewer side, they notice maybe like say you and your sister no really get bond like that. You know, I don't know you wait till you get to talk about that because they feel so you spend more time apart than together, you and your sister. So I don't know. What do you actually feel about that point where we say the view has been made based on you and Chizoba?
Well, me, I'm an extrovert. Chizoba is an introvert. So of course we are very different. Do you understand?
She told this.
Exactly. She's an individual of her own, and we are not enmeshed. Like so. She has her friends. I have my friends. We have our moments where we come together. We even had the same friends, you know, with Ozee and Ozee. Yeah. So we're just living our different mature lives. I mean, and when it comes to fighting, like, I just need to ask. I always ask this question, please. Do you have siblings?
We dey fight too.
Exactly.
We fight fast.
And I feel like for me, I would not give you a time of the day. I believe you guys saw on the show. I would never give you a time of the day if to some extent, like, you don't matter to me. Do you understand? If I fight with you and at the end of the day you don't matter to me again, I'm never going to give you a time of the day. But with my sister, like, I gave her the time of every day because that's my love. That's who I bond with the most. So if she does me something, I'm going to feel it. But if someone else does me something, I wouldn't feel it.
You're not gonna feel that.
If I don't care about you, nah.
Okay. Before I ask this next question right now, Ozee, when your brother leave, he almost be like, say, they come out one part of you. If you say at any point he affects your game or what?
Yeah, when my brother left, of course, you know, that's my twin brother. Do you understand? One heartbeat is what we call ourselves. So we went into this thing because it was something we could do together. So when he left, it hit me. But at the same time, I just kept the spirit with me. I was like, a win for me is a win for both of us. So let me still keep it going. So, yeah. Okay.
This is a general question to all four of you. What will be the biggest shock or revelation when I find that, whether now after the house or before the house? When I decided during the whole season?
For me, my own biggest shock was just there's a very big difference to living in the house and operating day to day and what the viewers are watching. That was the biggest shock.
Okay. The marriage of Kelly and Cassie are not shocking now.
No, if you watch the show, you see that I predicted before.
Oh yeah, you really predict. Yeah.
I even said I wouldn't even be surprised if you come out and not only are you married, you have kids.
Kids inside. But what if we give you that prediction? What if make
you brain day? I'm sure you guys watch the show, brain day. But I'm not going to force things and start asking questions. But I can, feel some of these things.
Yeah. Well, Onyeka, was that a shock to you?
I mean, first week I said the same. I was like, these guys are married,
Okay.
So I knew then. I was like, okay, that's their business. Whenever they're going to come out, and I always used to tell Ozee, these ones are lovers. Like, it's not what you see. So, like, and maybe I don't know, maybe what we have in common, because I think it was both of us that figured it out.
One predator.
Yeah, maybe because we are lawyers, so we are able to see like body movement and action. So I knew from the first week.
Say there be the same. What about Victoria?
So to be honest, going into the show with my friend Sean, there were already like misconceptions about us dating, and I felt like they were also coming in as friends, and I should give them the same grace. So I did not bother like looking around or trying to dig deep. I just felt like, oh, they are friends, and that's it. Because that's how I would want every other person to like see me exactly, because we were just friends.
Wanni.
I was happy for them. It shocked me because they looked so good together. At one point, I don't ask Asia, I'm like, are you seeing somebody? She said yes. I said, the man way they see, they're okay with my fresh. She said yes. I said, wow, he's a good man. Because me, I know myself, small touch me, Onyeka touch her. I know everything happened. So like when I just hear, I say, oh, because me, I be lover girl, so I'm really happy for them.
All right, so means I want to ask this question, but to the four of you, after I don't finish from the house, if now if we go back into the house to switch, with any of the housemates, which of the housemates it would be?
Only one, if you switch off.
With the moves of your other housemates, if they say may you switch with that person for a day, just switch places with that person for a day.
For a day.
Yeah, just for a day, not throughout the show.
Andy.
All right. Vicky.
Cassia.
Okay.
I don't know your life from
I'm not switching with any.
Even your brother?
No, because I don't need to. If I switch with him, I'm just being me.
Yeah. Okay.
So, let me just keep it to me.
Switch with someone. I don't understand that, but I think I like the place I played, like the role I played in the house. So I feel it was necessary. It was very relevant in the house. So I don't think I can switch with anyone. I had to do
it. Someone you want to talk something?
No, me.
Okay.
So right now, wait till I say be that game when I not play where when make una vote no make una winner. Yeah, you be the first run out. I think your percentage is just small, shikily you get me. And I know the sacrifice when your sister fans also make just to support you.
Yeah.
You get wait till you feel say una not. I wish you do if I make you be the winner.
I do. I work hard. Yeah. I show myself, and from the percentage already, and the love that I've been getting since I got out here, it's obvious that people saw through me. And it's just when something will be your own at that part. I'm going to make the money, but I think it was Kelly's time to get that money. My money go come and it go come in cents and cents.
10% for 10%. Vicky, wait till if you say you not do when make you.
So for me, I was really indifferent about it because from week one, I already felt like I was going to leave. So being able to like just stay sane, go through whatever I dealt with, and I got to the finals. Getting to the finalists alone for me is like a very big deal. So for me, it's a win. I'm actually fine with that.
Okay, Onyeka, sharply the same question.
What would I have done? I think I didn't do. I came from bottom 4 to top 3. I think that's enough.
Okay.
I came from bottom 4 to top 3.
Even without the prize money.
So I did a lot. That's a lot to do. I don't know if anyone could even do that. Bottom 4 to top 3, please. But if I was even going to make any change, maybe I would have a management. I didn't have a management, but bottom 4.
Outside of the house.
I didn't come with anything. No PRs, no management. I just came into the house and I came from.
You know they watch other people that says that they do.
I didn't know the back end of things, so I came as a natural person, and I came from bottom 4 to top 3 being natural. So that's okay for me.
Ozee, I forgot to ask you the same question, but some people already feel say you don't need the money. Say your papa name already, you not just road your full.
All I can say to those people is Dangote, still they find money. So who I be? So I just came in there, kind of a bit like Onyeka said. I just came in there literally as myself, and so the fact that who I was got me all the way there, despite what people say. So some people are saying I don't, but other people still saw the beauty in me to push me there. So that was enough for me.
Okay, this now also general question. I know say na new level of una dey right now. Waiting day next for una individually and also as una enter together and I see they plan to continue that relation. I know say the brother and sister the brothers and the sisters go hard because now you and your sister did together, you and your brother did together, your sister did together. Waiting a plan to do individually or togetherly.
So I feel like there's a lot that needs to be done. I would focus on my business more, which is a travel company.
Okay.
I'm going to expand and I'm ready to explore and see what the next phase holds. I'm probably going to go into production as well. I'm ready to go into creativity I just want to explore and just like build on that.
Okay. Wanni, if you see calling for DJ.
Yes, see, all the end of the year party, your mama birthday, my birthday, your sashi birthday, and they do burial after party. Everything, they find this money, acting, because I love to act, my NGO, my podcast, my YouTube, anywhere believe money day, believe the face.
That's not money day.
Money day, there be hustler, go hustle that money maker. And they try and make 100 million before the end of the year. So,
but now, what you saying? I don't come out now. I want the price. How much did I charge before? How much it will be now?
Just ask for my race card. I go send her.
Okay, for your rate card.
Yes.
Because some people wait for one child, wait for one need your service. They listen right now. So now I just they collect money in dollars or in naira. Or in all currency.
In all currency. I charge in all currency.
Now you let you know. Now your sister don't promise me, so now I'll play for my show.
Don't worry.
Don't
worry. We get for you.
You
get her.
Onyeka, over to you.
Yes, so as you guys know, I have a hair care product that deals with seborrheic dermatitis, dandruff and psoriasis, and like issues with the hair that concerns fungus.
Okay.
You know, so I have that, and I'm going to focus on that, and my law firm as well, entertainment law.
You see the represent my law.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. More than half a decade, I can't throw that away. That's not.
You don't ever do pro bono.
Pro bono. Well, I mean, the last office I worked in, no, we don't do pro bono. We do like Supreme Court cases, appeal court cases, and all those serious.
Happy?
Of course.
Which position don't work for?
We keep our
confidential.
Exactly.
Okay.
So yeah, so I mean, we do all that. So I cannot just. Do you know what it means to go to Supreme Court? Then you want to stop? No. I'm going to keep going there.
Okay.
Then I also want to work with trauma victims. You know. People, the people like I call myself back then, broken-hearted. I would love to work with them and let them know that there's still so much beauty that can come from them. Help them find healing, help them be vulnerable, because that's big to me. Then I also want to venture into content creating, because guys, you see me on internet, we are very far, but I'm interested in exploring that as well. I want to go into directing, script writing, music writing, and also I would love to add more to Nigeria as a whole. You know, maybe work with like politicians, big organizations.
Oh yeah, what your fellow housemate want to do?
I mean, everybody would like. I mean, I'm just talking about things that I can offer, because I know I have a lot to offer. Exactly. So, working with women, organizations, you know, all those beautiful things. Those are the things I would love to do.
Ozee, you guys are Nightlife king already. Almost everybody, when they enjoy nightlife, they're familiar with our faces and our doings for the nightlife industry. So you plan to continue on that or something new?
Yeah, I mean, that's just one aspect of things. I think what people should understand is when you're relevant in the nightlife, then it also is another avenue to expand your network. And once you expand your network, then the possibilities are endless. So that would always be there. I was also into entertainment. I have a movie coming out actually. Very soon.
Very soon this year?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
You feature for the movie?
Yes. Me and my brother. I did me and my brother Nkemo, Ebele Okaro, Bob Manuel, plenty people. You know, so I was already in that space before. I'm going to continue with that. Obviously, public service. I have a lot of initiatives I was working on. I was already in talks with the African Union actually before I came into the house. Also working on some projects with the Mandela family in South Africa. There's a lot of things that were in the works that coming in here gave me the platform and the audience to now really push it forward. So I think people that are supporting me should look out. They're going to see a lot of things coming.
Okay. This one will just be the last question because we get another set when they come in right now. If they're given the opportunity to say, oh, this big brother arrangement won't just finish, so more not do now because of the situation of the country. Because I come and say, how much before now? 1,000 what?
1,030.
Yeah.
35.
If they're given the opportunity to say, let's not do it now, let's push it forward, you will agree, or you go still want do at this kind of time, because whether you like it or not, so not be some years they say participation for this particular season was low because of what's going on in the country. For you as a housemate who come as I don't meet the reality right now, waiting now for choose.
I for choose I could do it now.
I'll still have
I go
done
do
it.
am now. Who know wetin go happen for future?
Oh, not
Wetin next? If next year fair come be 2,000, because I go do am now.
Plus, think
I
about the
very
people that
regret.
watched, that were feeling bad in this economy. I'm sure
we made them
sometimes
happy.
they were able to escape by just watching us and we entertain them. So either way, we contributed positively to a dire situation.
The time is now.
Okay, now all of una. Onyeka, you agree with that, right?
Yes, I do. I mean, I feel like my life is governed by God, and if He says this is the time, this is the best time.
Lady Evangelist.
Praise the Lord. That means you go put church.
I would definitely have done mine now as well, because there is no perfect timing. When it comes, it comes.
do it.
Yeah, exactly. Just do it.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.